How to apply and remove video filters. Just as you can with photos, you can shoot videos with filters in the native iOS app. Also, the same as photos, videos you shoot with the filter are non-destructive, which means you can change or remove the filter at any point. Follow these steps to add, change, or remove a filter. Open Photos app on your iPhone. Select the video to which you want to apply a filter. Tap Edit. At the bottom of the screen, tap the filters icon. Scroll to preview the filters, and then select one or choose Original to remove all filters. Tap Done at the bottom right and wait for your filter to apply. The size of the video, the quality at which it was shot, and the age of your device determine how long you'll have to wait for the filter to apply. If you want to revert the filters, just do all the same and on the filters icon, select Original. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.